Okay,
Please carry on.
so I will be back. So I was mentioning that the city vision of Santander is that technology is an enabler for improving the services that we offer to our citizens and also to create a better quality of life. So the strategy of Santander Smart City started in 2010 when the city was developing the strategic plan. And the vision at that time was that we wanted to build an intelligent and innovative city that offer more efficient services to our citizens, but also we wanted to stimulate and establish new business in our city based on the innovation and knowledge industry. So in 2012, the city of Santander developed their innovation plan, and the three main objectives of this innovation plan was the impulse of the Santander Smart City project, to develop the open government initiatives and also to modernize the public administration. So after 3 years, the city of Santander decided to create a strategic plan for the development of the Santander Smart City project. So behind that, there has been a lot of activity during these years, but how we conceive the development of a smart city is a step by step, because one, at the very beginning, you have to develop some pilot projects to validate solutions, and you may know that Santander is considered a urban laboratory at an international level, but it is also important not only to test the technology, but to evaluate how the city surveys are at the time, and to create a roadmap for the city digital transformation. So, because as we want to change the way that the city was managed, we had to work with the municipality officials in order to detect what were the challenges and the solutions that they had to implement. At a second stage, we try to include the technology in order to improve the operational efficiency of the urban services. Our main challenge was to move from vertical independent solutions to solutions that were open and integrated. So the point is that the municipality at that time had two options: to invest in technology and afford all the city services at the same time, or every time that public procurement was created for the renovation of the subcontracted services, the option was to include the technology as part of the public procurement. The city of Santander decided to include the technology as part of the public procurements. So since 2013, we were introducing in the public procurements all the technology for improving the operational services. In 2015, the municipality of Santander decided to create and implement a smart city platform for the integral management of the city, in order to drive a more efficient and sustainable city. In this platform, the objective was to integrate information from different sources of information, and also to create new tools for decision makers in order to facilitate their daily life. And of course, all the data that is generated within the smart city should be a growth engine for the open innovation ecosystems that we have in our city. Data is made available for entrepreneurs and also the local companies in order to develop their own services and their own applications. So, as you mentioned before, the smart city roadmap implementation in Santander has been characterized for, first of all, the commitment of the local authorities for boosting the smart city paradigm. The municipality of Santander has been very active participating in research projects at national and international level. The city has become a urban laboratory for the development of proof of concepts and pilot projects. This has permitted us to validate the technology. And in those cases that the technology was mature enough, the municipality has considered to incorporate this technology for the management of the real services of the city. As the technology is an enabler to transform the way that the city is managed. So we want to improve the operational efficiency of the city's services. But, sorry? But also the quality of light. And in this particular case, as you can see in the slides, you can see that the icons of different city services that from 2013, as I mentioned before, we were introducing the technology. In 2013, we introduced the technology in the water management service, in 2014 in the waste management. In 2015, we introduced the technology in the street lighting and the buildings energy efficiency systems. Also, we introduced the technology in the traffic and semaphoric. We introduced the technology in the police systems. During these years, we have been introducing the technology in all the services within the municipality every time we renovate a new public procurement. And in the upper part of the slide, you can see the active participation of Santander with more than 27 European projects in that the municipality has been participating. At the very beginning, project was Smart Santander, but after that, there are a lot of projects in which the municipality is very active. And right now, the municipality of Santander is implementing the Smart City Platform, integrating data from all these services and also from systems that the municipality has, and also is developing a project called Santander Smart Citizen that is dealing with the improvement of the city services. So the municipality of Santander wants to improve all the way that the citizens are relations with and the relations with the municipality, and we are implementing a concept of 360 degrees citizen concept with many solutions. So, and everything will be integrated in the Smart City Platform project that I am managing. Okay. So how we are building this integral management city concept. So in 2017 we deployed the Smart City Platform. This is a platform that is open, flexible, and interoperable. We integrate on the platform data coming from sensors, from actuators, also from municipalities, but from municipality systems. But we are including external sources of information using common data models. Within the platform, we have data storage and analysis processes to create the real intelligence of the city. And we are also providing new tools for the decision making. Which are the services that we are integrating in the platform? At the very beginning in our project, we have a set of 14 services, but right now, every time that a new need comes from the municipality, we are integrating new services, and I will explain you later on a real example that we had to deal with this summer. In the platform, we have data that we are receiving automatically, but also we develop processes to extract data from sources of information, internal and external, in order to send it to the data broker of the platform. This information is processed, and in order to extract insights from the data and to create the rules for the management of the city. We build also predictive analysis based on our big data platform, and we create dashboards and KPI report for the municipality technician and also for the politicians. We are connecting this platform also with the open data platform, and also it is integrated with the geographical information system that we had at the municipality. Here you can see some examples of the dashboards that we built for the municipality. The nature of these dashboard examples will be very different, from the employment, the consumption of energy, for the tourists, the visitors that we have in the city. So with different kind of examples based on the real needs of the people working in the municipality. To this end, we have a project management office that supports the municipality in the development of the strategy of the smart city. So we work with every department in the municipality in order to provide them technical advice, and also to support them in the digital transformation of the city services. And also we work to create this smart governance model that will at the end allow us to create this integral management of the city. We have developers in this program management office that they analyze the data, and also they develop the solutions to integrate data from different services or to adapt. Also, we have people in the project that is in charge of developing educating activities in the demo center that we have also in Santander, and of course, as in most of the project, we have an administrative part. So I will explain you now an example that we had to deal with this summer. It was because of the COVID problems. So the municipality of Santander had to deal with the beach safety and the social distancing of the beach. So after several months staying at home, the municipality wants to create public spaces safe for citizens and visitors. So they were working on the reactivation of the tourism industry as soon as possible. And there were a lot of information coming from different administrations about how we had to use the beaches or not. So, but when we started working on this around May, it was not clear how to implement the security in the beaches. So we start working on a health risk prevention plan in order to minimize the potential spread of COVID-19. So we wanted to keep the beaches as safe as possible, but the most important thing was to keep the social distancing in order to avoid the COVID affection. So we deployed sensors in the access of the beaches. So those sensors was based on 3D cameras, and they were registering the entrance and exit of people to the beaches. So this information were sent to the Smart City Platform together with the images from the cameras that were also installed in the beach. And also we developed ETLs to extract information from external sources of information, including weather and sea conditions, and also signs and flags from the safety risk and lifeguard services that we have in the beaches. Also, we install different panels at the entrance of the cities, of the beaches, sorry, that inform the users about the level of occupancy that we had at the time. So from the Smart City Platform, we built different dashboards that, based on the data captured from these sensors, allow managers to know the level of occupation of the beaches, and also the status of different services. And also from the platform, we were able to generate alerts to inform the security guards for closing the access to the beaches when the degree of occupation was almost the limit. So for the citizens, we created also a website that they can check in real time the level of occupation of the beaches. They can see the images of the beaches, the signs and the flags of or alerts that we had for the beaches, and also the services that they were available. And all this information was coming from the Smart City Platform. So at the end, in this system, we had to build it in 2 weeks. So, and based on the fact that we have the Smart City Platform, we were able to do so. But in 2 weeks, we had to install all the infrastructure, to plug them, to put the electricity, everything together, and to put it in place. And the system has been used for more than 400,000 people during the summer. So, and with peaks of people that of 23,000 people every day. So it was a real success, and well, it was based on the technology that the municipality has already. So as you can see, the Smart City Platform is creating real benefits for the city and the citizens, and is allowing us to react quickly. So we have a global view of the city from a single platform. This is an open platform and interoperable. The data that we create in this Smart City Platform is permitting to create an open ecosystem within the city, attracting new business and fostering the entrepreneurship, and also new business model. And we are also working to integrate this information in other platforms of the city. But we have a reliable solution, and also flexible for every need that the municipality has. And that's all from my side.